All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be looking at items for the iPhone 16 Pro from Encased. So I got several things I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you the camera lens protectors. I've got different screen protectors and several cases. So the first thing we're going to start with are the camera lens protectors, because why not? It's probably going to be the easiest install that we do today, but this is how they come. I really like what they've done with their packaging here lately. Obviously, this is compatible with the 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max. So this is I've been dealing with Encased for many years, and so that's why I'm kind of like, whoa, they've changed their packaging. Some of their packaging. The cases look like they still come in the same packaging, but this is pretty nice here. We're gonna crack this open here, and I'll show you how they look. All right. It's still on there tight. That's a sharp, okay, there we go. There we go. All right, so this should be a fairly simple installation when it comes to putting these on. Just be mindful though and follow the instructions. You don't want to rush it just because you feel like it's a simple installation. You want to make sure that you're following the instructions as you should. So obviously you got here just a little welcome card and things like that, and there's a QR code you can scan to activate your lifetime warranty. This right here is a pry tool for in those days you want to take them off, like if something happens you need to take it off. Here's obviously the instructions, so be mindful and read that. And then you've got your cleaning kit here. You got your cleaning kit, your stickers, wet wipe, and the dust removal. So let's go ahead and let's get this all done up right, man. Let's get it done right. Let's get the iPhone looking good. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start with the wet wipe to clean them off. This is what you need to do. So let's get this on here. Now, make sure you clean this off properly. So you want to go wet wipe and then dry it, and then you want to use the dust removal tools, and then we'll apply the actual screen protectors to the actual glass here. So next, and by the way, they've got their MagGlass embroidered in there. I don't know how well you can see that. Make sure you get them all dried off here. And then let's go in with the dust removal tool. This is essentially one of the most important things, is to make sure you get the dust off, because you don't want to have this done and then there's dust all over your glass. Just make sure that you get it right. And also another key essential thing is lining this up properly. So you just need to follow. So it's going to go down like that. So make sure you get down on these too, because they're not all leveled. Make sure they're clean. I mean, give it a once over again. Pardon me. Give it a once over again. If you're unsure whether you got it clean or not, get all down in there, because once you put these on, folks, you'll be buying another one if you don't. So some people do buy multiple of the same item because if they're not too tech savvy, they just feel like they can't do it. But once you start to peel this off, you need to be ready to go. Be sure you're ready to go and pop these down, and make sure you give it a once over just with the naked eye, just to make sure that it actually has no dust and lint on it. So these are individual camera rings here, so just be mindful of that. And give it some protection on the back, because I do lay my phone down this way a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and go in. I'm just gonna drop them on just like that. There you go. If you notice, I kept the dust removal tool sticker on my finger until I was sure that I was done dusting, if you will. So I'm just gonna rub this in a little bit, and when I peel these off, the lenses should stay put. The lenses are gonna stay put. It doesn't require much if you've done it right, and boom, there it is. And then you just kind of toss this right here. And now let's give it a once over, and then now I'm gonna actually fire up the camera just to make sure. And I'm gonna take a photo Oh yeah, that is crystal clear. You probably can't tell too much, but it is definitely crystal clear. So let's grab something here. Let's grab the back of this pixel here. Oh yeah, that's really clear. Let's get something with some color. Check all the lenses. Make sure you check all the lenses to make sure that they are working. And that should do it. Let's get something else in here. Yeah. Yeah, all the lenses are working. Yep, looking good. So there you have it, man. That is how you install the camera lens protectors for the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. Pretty simple, straight to the point. Lots of things from in case we're going to cover. So hope you enjoyed this video right here on the screen protectors for basically your camera lenses. This is really nice. Glass protectors for your camera. I like to have these on every phone. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay locked. More content to come.